Hi everyone, today we're going to do two simple experiments that will show you the properties of soap and why it's effective in hand washing. So we've got two today. We've got one with black pepper and water. And then for our soap reactant, we're going to just use a simple dishwashing soap. This is just Ajax. You can use any kind of soap works really. The other one is the next one we're going to do is one with milk, food colorings, and then again our soap. It could be any type of milk too, but one with a higher fat content will work best. Alrighty, so we're going to get started. So we'll go ahead and grab the water and we're going to pour just a little bit for it to cover the entire bottom. We don't need too much. Just enough. More, a little more. That's good. Alright. Next we're going to sprinkle on some pepper. And we don't need too much pepper at this point. We just want enough pepper that covers the entire plate. Great. More. That's good. Alrighty. Now we're going to take a toothpick and we're going to dip it in the soap that I've already prepped with on a plate. So I'm just going to roll the toothpick in some soap. And then now we should see what happens when we dip the soap into the water with the pepper. So I'm just going to take it in the center. Alright, so you'll notice that the water has displaced all of the pepper to the sides of the plate. Why does this happen? So our water already has a high amount of surface tension. If you ever put a drop of water onto a coin, you'll notice that a little bubble forms, and that is because the bonds in the water molecules are so strong that they hold together and they create a bubble because of its high surface tension. Now when we add soap to the mixture, the soap lowers the water surface tension, thereby making the pepper go towards the sides, because as we put the soap into the water, it lowers that surface tension, pulling the pepper away towards the plate. And we can see more of this when we do the milk experiment, but this is just a simple one to show you how effective soap is in washing your hands. So we'll go to the next one. And so for this one, I'm just using half and half. Again, you can use any kind of milk, but this one has a higher fat content. We'll go ahead and open it up. And I'm just going to pour just a little bit, same as the water. We're just going to cover enough. Alrighty. Next I'm going to choose 3 colors. You can do more if you want, but I've only got 3. So I've got red, green, and blue. I'm going to do 2 drops of each right in the center. So I'm going to do 1, 2. And then the last one, 1, 2. Alrighty. Next, I'm going to dip a toothpick in some soap. Yet again, we're going to coat it. Alrighty. Now this one does take a little longer to see. So when we put our toothpick into the center, we're going to wait about 10 seconds. You can see some action right away. So you'll notice that the milk is now displacing all of the food coloring, and in just a second you're going to start seeing a lot more swirls happening.
Yeah, the red is starting to show through.
I'm going to tilt it. And there you go. So now that you have some of your colors displaced, I'm going to take a little more soap and then go around onto the plate by dropping it in various places. So what this soap is doing is the same as the pepper and water experiment, because milk contains some water in its solution. Again, the soap is breaking the surface tension, or rather lowering the surface tension of the milk, causing all of the molecules to be pushed away because now they're not floating so tightly in milk. And so let me get some more soap. And what's a little different with the milk experiment is that because the milk contains fat molecules inside, what happens is when we put the soap into the milk, the soap has molecules that will trap some of the fat in there, and it's why the food coloring is going around. You can kind of see how it's moving around and pushing away. So the food coloring is mixed in with the fat molecules, and that shows how the fat molecules get trapped inside the soap. And so when you're washing your hands and bacteria and germs get trapped inside of your soap and you wash it down the drain, that shows how it's effective in washing your hands. Alrighty, so thank you guys for watching. We'll do more programs in the future, and let us know the different variations of milk you use, or if you use different types of soap. You can use different types of soap, or you can try water or hairspray to displace the water. Let us know.